What if I told you there was a 45-year conflict where two superpowers fought without ever officially declaring war, and the entire world lived just one mistake away from nuclear annihilation? The beginning, right after World War II, the United States and the Soviet Union, once allies, became bitter rivals. One believed in democracy and capitalism, the other in communism and absolute state control. Their clash of ideologies started a tension-filled era known as the Cold War, the arms race. Both sides began building nuclear weapons at terrifying speed. By the 1960s, the US and USSR had enough nukes to destroy the planet several times over. This became known as MAD, mutually assured destruction. If one side launched, the other would respond, guaranteeing the end of both. The space race. The battle moved beyond Earth. The Soviets shocked the world by launching Sputnik in 1957, the first satellite in history. The US responded with massive investments in science, eventually landing men on the moon in 1969. Proxy wars. Because direct war was too dangerous, both sides fought indirect battles around the world. From Korea to Vietnam to Afghanistan, the superpowers backed opposing sides, fueling decades of global conflict. The close calls. There were moments when the world nearly ended. The Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962 brought both nations to DEFCON 2, one step from nuclear war. In 1983, a Soviet officer named Stanislav Petrov refused to launch a retaliatory strike after a false alarm, literally saving the world from destruction. The end. By the late 1980s, the Soviet economy collapsed and reform movements spread. In 1991, the USSR dissolved, ending the Cold War without a final battle. The final twist, and here's the chilling part. Even though the Cold War ended, many of those nuclear weapons still exist today, and the balance of power remains just as fragile.